The unboxing of the new Xbox 360 Slim. Keep this show on the road.
Yes, but
Yeah, they could have at least like centered the manual. Oh, I got a PS3. Oh, Xbox. Sorry. Damn, it is light.
Not the box. The box is pretty.
This is the console.
It's little. I like it.
Well, that's probably why they call it the Slim.
You stop touching it.
Oh. It's more mine than it is yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Do you have any idea how much this cost me?
How much?
$500.
Okay, so I paid for 300 of it.
Exactly. So I paid for 200.
So it's more mine than it is yours.
No.
Oh,
I went and got
really?
it. Plus, you gotta be 17 to buy both those games. Okay. You're not 17. Okay. Power supply looks like cool.
For too long, we need to buy an HDMI cable.
Why?
It doesn't come with one.
We don't have an HDMI TV. That's all. We don't have an HDMI.
Well, we can get one. And I will eventually.
Like eventually soon.
Oh, even the headsets are cool. Oh, they're just like the old ones, just all black.
Oh, don't brush your teeth with that. Who's
These are the new headsets.
Hey, whose toothbrush
All
is this
black.
called?
I don't know. Nobody's.
Okay, you can stop that, I guess.
Well,
Where are we gonna?
I feel like Christmas.
Where are we gonna put it in?